All right, guys, you have spent time now researching your chosen topic for the Chicago fire. So, we're going to talk about raising the level of that research, okay? And that is through annotating text. So, as you're reading, this lesson is going to teach you how to mark up a text purposefully and deliberately so that way you can help remember big ideas from the text, okay? So, today I want to teach you that readers mark up a text in a purposeful and deliberate way to help them remember the big ideas of the text, as well as the things they were thinking when they read it. Okay? So the annotations that readers make should help them use the text in conversation. So if you look here, this picture shows so annotations made maybe in like a fun book they were reading. You see some smileys, some exclamation marks. Let's talk about some that we might use in our research. So some helpful text that we could use. We can underlining concepts that might be useful, okay? You can circle new phrases or words you don't know. You could put a box around some information that you think might be helpful for your investigation. You can always do some arrows to write notes in the left or the right margin, okay? Over here, the star, I use this all the time. This would be a symbol for being something important, okay? You can underline keywords. Put a little check mark next to a section to make sure you understand this part. Circle words you don't know. Question mark by things you don't understand. Exclamation mark if you're surprised by something or you find a shocking fact. And then a heart if you like that fact or that part. So let's take a look. Here are some examples of students annotating text in an article. You're mostly going to see, sorry guys. You're mostly going to see some underlines here, okay? They're underlining parts that maybe they want to use in the future. So one of the parts that they underline here is that the octopus can squeeze into impossibly small cracks and crevices because it has no bones in its body. Okay, that is super important to know. All right, so they're underlining important information here. This next one's got a little bit more written on it. We see some stars, okay, some important parts. We see some numbers here. We have notes written in the margin. So over here on the left, over here on the right, we've got a little picture here. And then we've got some underlining, circling. We've got all kinds of markups here. So today, when you guys are working on your research again, I want you to choose new articles and I want you to open up one of your articles in Notability or take a screenshot and put it on ClassKick and use some of these symbols that are on the notes page for this lesson and ones that we just talked about to mark up that text, okay? When you're done with that, continue taking your notes. Add more to your research. You're going to be working in research clubs next week, so you want to be able to bring research to your club. Please include a picture of your research on this ClassKick just so I can see where everyone's at. All right, good luck, guys.